In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Risk to Reward tool. Before we start, the goal of this tool is to visualize your entry, stop loss, and take profit so you can instantly see the risk to reward ratio of a trade. It doesn't place orders, it helps you plan. Start by opening the chart you want to analyze. Pick the symbol and time frame that match your trading plan, then zoom, so recent price action is clear. You'll want to see the swing highs and lows you might use for targets and stops. On the left toolbar, locate the projection tool. In TradingView, it's the long position and short position tool found in the prediction and measurement section. If you don't see it, hover over the icons until you find the one that shows green and red boxes with a thin entry line. Click it to activate the cursor. Now choose the version that matches your trade idea. Use long position if you're planning to buy and short position if you're planning to sell. This ensures the green profit box faces the direction of your expected move. Place the tool on your planned entry candle. Click near the price where you intend to enter, then align the thin entry line exactly to your entry price. You can fine-tune it by dragging the center handle. Be precise. Small differences can change the ratio meaningfully. Adjust the stop loss by dragging the red handle. For longs, that's typically below a recent swing low. For shorts, above a recent swing high. As you move it, notice the figures in the tool's label update, including the percent risk and the risk to reward ratio. Keep the risk appropriate for your plan. Many traders risk only a small percentage per trade. Next, set the take profit by dragging the green handle to your target. Common choices include the next area of support or resistance, a measured move, or a key Fibonacci level from your analysis. Watch the ratio as you adjust. A common benchmark is at least 1 to 2, meaning you aim to make twice what you risk, but choose what fits your strategy and market conditions. Once everything is placed, read the panel. It shows the entry, stop, target, and the R multiple. Leave the drawing on your chart to track progress, duplicate it for alternative targets, or move it as your plan evolves. That's how you use TradingView's risk to reward tool with clarity and confidence.